We are in Kuala Lumpur and we rented an apartment for a month and we love it so much we wanted to give a tour of it.
Welcome to our channel. Join us on a budget-friendly exploration of the world's wonders. Hit subscribe and let the journey begin.
After bouncing around in hotels for the last 3 months of our travel, we are super excited to slow down and get to enjoy a nice, spacious apartment. It's a fairly simple apartment. When you first walk in, you're in the kitchen. And then we have this little bar eating area. And then our living room. Our favorite thing about this apartment is the skyline view. And right off of the living room is our bedroom. It still has the amazing skyline view. It comes with 2 beds because I believe this apartment is for a family. And it also has this huge closet to store all of our stuff in and a nice little desk over here. Right off of our bedroom area is the bathroom. It has a shower area which is separate from the toilet area over here, which we're really enjoying because we're kind of tired of wet baths. And then it brings you back out to the kitchen. The common area in our apartment is fairly simple. It just has a few of these little chairs.
Our apartment complex has a nice, relaxing pool area. This apartment came with a basic gym, and we did take advantage of it.
I'm gonna head up to the roof.
Subscribe to our channel and leave your travel recommendations in the comments below. The skyline on the rooftop is incredible. We enjoyed coming up here and taking in the view, especially in the evenings.